Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Are you hey okay? In your neck of the woods? What up? What up? Manners and respect, man. I your girl, Debbie from Donga Yard. Welcome you all to the Jamaican kitchen. Welcome once more to the Jamaican cooking journey. All you and you over here, thank you so much. And please enjoy. Hope all of you have subscribed. Those of you who are out on who are on the outside peeking in, I hope you're almost there. You have almost made up your mind, or you have made up your mind to subscribe. When you do subscribe, remember to hit that bell. Thank you so much. And first, not really first, but one more thing before I forget. All of you who have been making your donations to the channel, thank you so much. Thank you so much. It will go so far in helping me to prepare some of those long requested dishes like the oxtail, like the Jamaican patty. And you know, when we do the patty, we are going to do cocoa bread. Patty can't eat without cocoa bread. That's what them hear about. We're going to do patties, we're going to do cocoa bread right inside here, this Jamaican kitchen. So thank you so much. And those of you who have not heard or who are asking how can you make your donations, just go to the top, at the top there of the channel, and you'll see the donation button. When you click on it, it will lead you to where you can make your donations. Thank you. So right now, today, we're gonna do a decent Mother's Day breakfast cook-up. It now has a special name, you know, Mother's Day breakfast cook-up. But by the end of it, this video, maybe it will just be a Mother's Day breakfast cook-up. You tell me in the comment section. Now, we're gonna need, for this cook-up, we're gonna need some eggs. We're gonna need some sausages. This is bacon breakfast sausage. You choose your sausage of choice. We're gonna need a tin of baked beans. We're gonna need red onion. I'm using this little bit. I don't know what kind of pepper, but I bought it at the market. And all of you who are on the Jamaican Debbie Deb strain, you know all about the market thing. It has no heat, but the flavor is good. I like the flavor. I have some bell pepper, green tomatoes, and we are gonna put, as I tell you, it is a Mother's Day breakfast cook-up. So the first thing you want to do, we're gonna boil some eggs. You know that when you're boiling your eggs, well, I just got these, so you're gonna boil them, so we can just rinse them and put them. Remember, cold water for the eggs. So we're going to rinse off the egg. We're going to boil about 5 of them egg here. Normally, if you're just gonna put them where we just like wash them with a little dish soap, but I'm gonna cook them so the hot water will take care of what is there. So I'm gonna cook like 5 of these eggs. Can I tell you something? I don't like to even number, nothing, you know. I just like to do odd numbers. I don't know why. If you're like that, comment. So that's the first thing you're gonna do with this breakfast cook-up. You're gonna put the amount of eggs of your choice and the amount of sausages that you're gonna do. So it's gonna be a big, you know, your family is big. On Mother's Day I do it for her, but you're not gonna do it for the family too. So make mama get hers. Suppose you're just doing it for mom. Well, you just adjust to your measurements. So we're gonna go right now, gently, put the eggs in cold water, and you're gonna medium heat. You're gonna cook the eggs on medium heat. Okay? So my medium will be 3. Cover them. And when it's monitor it, when it starts boiling, 15 to 18, I would say 18 minutes, 18 to 20 minutes the most, your eggs should be perfectly cooked. So look here, you see, this is a 2 video in one again, you know, 2 videos in one. You're knowing how to cook your eggs. Cold water, medium heat. That is how you cook eggs. Okay, so this is 2 videos in one. And all of you who answer the question, ride and whistle. Yes, it's riding and whistling. It's not officially, but in or on the Jamaican cooking journey. That's what we call it when we are doing 2 things, moving on, going forward. Okay, and today I was on the road and I saw 2 friends. They came to have lunch in one of them fast food places. And you know what I heard one saying to the other one? Oh, what we are going to do? We are going to eat here, so, or we are going to whistle and ride. He never say ride and whistling, just put the whistle first. Or we are going to whistle and ride. You know what he meant? He mean, are we going to have it here, or are we going to eat while we're in the car, driving and eating? Ride and whistling, doing two things at the same time. And at the same time, you're heading on to progress, or you know you're going to have a result. Riding and whistling. It's not official. It's not like, we don't call it now, tap a tap. But I feel really good thing that all of you said ride and whistle. That is what I was looking for. It tells me that you're on the Jamaican cooking journey. Right back here. So we're done with that egg because we are going to boil 5 eggs. Remember, cold water, medium heat, leaving it for from the start of boiling, because you don't want the high heat to, because the high heat is gonna have the eggs rattling all over and you're trying not to let them break. Okay, so we're gonna go chop some onions, chop some these peppers. We're gonna chop some tomatoes, cut our sausages to our liking. When we return, you'll see how we cut our sausages. Maybe yours are bigger. Most of you, your sausages might be bigger, so cut them to your liking. And when we return, you're gonna see how we're going to put the cook up thing together, because when we come back, these eggs should be cooked, and you're going to see how we are going to put this together. You'll be amazed when we return. Okay, family, the eggs, they're not fully cooked yet, but the one I want to show you something. You see, when the eggs are cooking on the medium heat, what happens? They're cooking, they are so relaxed, and they're still cooking. You notice them now, they all about to run up and down like them and fight with each other. That is why sometimes when you cook the eggs, they break from in the pot and the whites start coming out, because the heat is too high. So that constant jabbering against each other, then break. Medium every time. We're almost there though. So we have breakfast sausage. It's bacon breakfast sausage. So we are going to fry them off, brown them up on a high heat with a reasonable about 3 tablespoons of your oil of choice. We're going to get them brown, because the breakfast sausage, them, I chose these because them kind of soft, but when you brown them get a little firm. And the flavor, we wanted the flavor. I couldn't buy the expensive one, they have the firm expensive one, but I don't know it go more than me. So we are going to brown off these on a high heat. And when we return, you'll see, because we want them to have a little brown pretty color, you know. So when we come back, me never remember. That is what person lie your tail, I never remember. We say when we come, the eggs will be cooked, but they are still not cooked. So we are giving them a little more time. Yeah, as I told you. You see it? So when we return, eggs should be cooked, and I'm going to show you it goes. Sausage must be brown off, and all of that. And if we have to take out the bladder either, we take out the bladder either. Because we want them brown off. Nice, you know, and look good when we return. Okay, now family, right thing. You see, we fry off the sausage and the color them about them brown and pretty and firm. So we took out some of the oil. We had to use a reasonable amount of oil, because the more the oil, they'll brown fast. If you put a little bit, them going itch and stick. So you can take out some of your oil till this is enough. This what is left is okay, because we're going to cook down things, you know. So we take our eggs, they are cooked. So what you need to do now, I hope you're all in. You're going to pour off this hot water from it, and you're going to rinse them off with some cold water. Rinse them, and then you leave them under the pipe. Let that one cool down. I see some people put ice. I've never put ice. Riding and whistling. Now, this is going to be an easy Mother's Day breakfast put together. And this is for all of the husbands and fathers and boyfriends who running from the kitchen, so they can cook and all of them something. This is easy, right in your. So the first thing we're going to show in our peppers. Then don't put in the tomato first. Put up back your flame, because if you put in the tomatoes first, the sausage then will get back soft. So your flame coming back right up. With that, put in the crunchier things first. Okay, some onions, just kind of shred up like your onions. Use red onion, it has a better flavor. The red onions with the that sort of bacon thing. And if you want to use bacon, you can use bacon. Flame up. Look at that. Look at the beauty of that. So we're not going to cover with pot, you know. We're going to kind of stir fry. At this point, we want to grate in a few pegs of garlic. That is if you want, If you have your garlic powder, you want to put a little touch. Don't overpower it though. So we're going to get off about 2 pegs. Just 1.5, that's 1 drop in there. We're going to grate just a little pinch, of garlic. Sorry, of ginger to give it that flavor. Put the camera on me. And if you were here, just to smell when this little garlic and ginger go right down. You're not going to cook these to them, but get extra soggy dough, you know, in this spot here. It was, I can't explain y'all. The flavor with the bacon sausage and all of those that the garlic and the ginger brought out, it was to die for. Now at this point, you're going to put in a few thyme leaves. Not a little thyme leaf. Don't put the stalks in there. I'll show you how. You just hold it firm and you pull off a few leaves at a time. Not a lot, because it looks like it doesn't do anything, but the flavor is to die for. So we flame up. Now you can put in your tomatoes. Remember, you know, do not put in the tomatoes first. Highest heat now that you have when you put in the tomatoes. Look at the beauty of what we have inside the pot there. Eh? You want to put in a little bit of black pepper. Or if you have your cracked pepper, you can thing a little in there, you know? Do what you have. I'm doing what I have. So we eat up, and this is how we look. Look at it now. The beauty, you don't want the tomatoes getting too soft and stuff. Now we're gonna put in some of our baked beans. Maybe not all of this, to what I have. To the side. Put in some of the beans and make sure you get in some of that baked bean gravy there with a little nice sweetie taste. Now put no cornstarch in there, you know, because for the baked bean them are cornstarch and make the gravy, okay? You know, look at this. Look how pretty it is. So if you are a Scotch bonnet lover, put a few slices, just 2. Don't put it with the seeds, you know. Flame up. So we're going to leave this to get a little gel down. Look at the gravy where you're getting. Look at the gravy. This is the gravy. So we're going to turn down low, and we're going to go now to peel our eggs. Okay. So when we return, you're going to see what we are going to do with the egg then. Okay family, your eggs are all boiled and we pick them. Remember, after you pick your eggs, you must give it just a small rinse. And you know, so what we want to do, if you want to cut your eggs like this, you can go ahead and cut it like this. Perfectly boiled eggs. Or if you want to cut them across, do what you want to do. Okay? So you see we have the eggs them all boiled. So we have these over here. So what you want to know, you want to gently come and to place your eggs inside of this nice little niceness here. Just put them in there, and we're going to leave them in there for maybe just a minute, just to let the little juice, you don't have to incorporate it. If you don't want to put it, you just put it in there and leave it like that. Okay? Just rest it in there, and we're going to turn our stove down now low. Rest them in there. We're going to turn our stove to low and let the steam with that bacon flavor from the ham just come right through and make the egg absorb it. When we return, we're going to plate and show you what it can be added with. So no husband not supposed to say them can't make breakfast for Mother's Day. Okay, y'all? Okay, family. We just turn our flame off, and you see this niceness. So I come up, look at this. Now this can be served with fried dumplings. It can be served with pasta. It can be served just about with anything. But me not give them no whole heap of trouble. It can be served with tough crackers. It's nice. So you want to know, you want to come depending on how much gravy you want. Look at this niceness. Husbands, I hope you're all keen on this, you know. So the eggs are there. Yep. And you top it off with some egg. Make the thing look good, you know, Ozzy. Make the thing look good. I don't want to hear so not sleep on the couch. You hear after Mother's Day over. So, you know, you present your eggs in a, you know, we know we have to do the cleaning up. So, let us get our rag and clean up right here. Okay, this have to come up. You know the presentation. Water pressure gone low. So there you have it, y'all. All the husbands who are contemplating, and genuinely, some of you are not reading and know about the kitchen. But some of you are not just, no, not pull a card, not true. This is so easy, y'all. The hardest thing was to boil the eggs, and I showed you also in this video. So let me present. From my kitchen to yours, from my Jamaican kitchen to wherever you are, to your Mother's Day table. This is for the husbands. Get yourself all in. Please do enjoy. Happy cooking, happy presentation towards whoever you made a mother, whether it's your mother or whoever. You, of course, if it's your mother, you made her a mom. So, if you're doing it for your mother, for wifey, girlfriend, grandma, sister, whoever happens to be that mother in your life, please enjoy, okay? Now, all of you wives and mothers out there, please to comment in the comment section. Is this an easy Mother's Day breakfast for any husband? Please to comment. Remember to like this video. Remember to share. Remember to subscribe to the channel. When you do, remember to hit the notification bell. We're not finished with the mama thing, you know. We have a few more breakfast ideas leave, and then we're moving on to the dessert. Okay, y'all? Debbie from Donga Yard, bless. No stress. Remember, mothers, leave it in the comment section. All of you who have husband like mine, we don't want to cook. Bless.